This is your Frontier opening bell. Welcome everyone to the trading week of the week starting today, Monday, the 23rd of May. I'm Bosin Namafai. Welcome to the show. The global market softened for most of last week, and the Nigerian market bucked by 22 basis points. Not so much dent if you look at the year-to-date index return on the NGX, rough around 24% when the market went on the weekend. The BRBM fell much further, 4.7% on a weekly basis. On Sunday, the start of the trading week for the Cairo market, it was down by 38. The Nairobi Bourse fell 5.11% on a week-on-week basis, and the GSE fell 1.57% on a weekly basis. A whole lot of sell-off across major bourses on the African continent. So let's just take that, push that behind us, and move on into the current week. We have a whole lot on the table. Start with your cup of tea. Tea prices in Kenya rose slightly because volume of tea being produced has dipped further. And the Postal Corporation of Kenya is signing a deal with Somaliland to support its postal system. And the DRC says it enters the shipping business and is setting its eyes on Kenya and Tanzanian ports. DR Congo was admitted as a member of the East African community just about a month or two ago. Now is pushing its weight. Pulling its weight within the East African community. DR Congo is the largest economy in Central Africa. And Tanzania says it will allow investments in 5G network trials to see how it goes. AirTel launched its 5G network operations just a couple of weeks ago, as Nigeria also licensed Airtel and MTN Nigeria to roll out 5G operations. The deadline for that is sometime in the month of August. And Mauritius Stock Exchange has floated a new automated trading platform. Congratulations. Let's see how that improves efficiency, brings liquidity, improves ease of doing business or ease of doing transactions, doing initial public offering, secondary trading, whatever processes that allows the stock market in Mauritius, the island ocean country, to get a whole lot better. So let's see what West Africa looks like. Yes, the big story, you know that already. The AfDB annual meetings starting today, running through till Friday, will focus on energy, climate adaptation, and everything else in between. That meeting will have all the big participants coming from across Africa and the shareholders of the AfDB coming in from around the continent and around the world for the annual meetings. The first in person, and it's also hybrid, by the way. A couple of folks will still be joining via Zoom and other digital technology. The second Biennial West African Capital Market Conference for Securities Exchanges within West Africa, 16 countries, is also taking place in Ghana, effective from tomorrow till the 25th, which is on Thursday. Fitch Ratings agencies has got Ghana to be, in terms of credit rating and outlook, positive. The Ghana Central Bank has just raised interest rate. That news is just coming through today. Nigeria's monetary policy interest rate meeting, two-day meeting starting today, and we expect the announcement from Godwin Emefiele later tomorrow at about 2:30 Nigerian time. And of course, Sokrufa, which is listed on the BRVM reporting first quarter turnover, up 35% to about 21 billion CFA franc. Let's check in with the South African top economies. Davos 2022 is now in motion, the first in-person in almost 3 years. Big business leaders from big companies, from big countries, sitting together to discuss the big problems of the global economy, from pandemic to global supply problem, trade war between US and China, and of course, the ongoing Russian military operations in Ukraine. All of this put together is what the political leaders, businessmen, fiscal policymakers, finance ministers, others will be discussing. Climate activists and all others will be talking about in Davos. There'll be no snow in Davos this time around. It's a little bit sunny. That there on the apps. The S&P says it's lifted South Africa's outlook to positive and cites favorable terms of trade. That is good news, by the way, for Africa's most advanced economy. And Investec says it sees structural reforms to jumpstart South Africa's economy. Last week, the South African Reserve Bank raised interest rates a quarter of a percentage points to 0.75%. And Massmart has gotten approval of the Competition Commission in South Africa for that 1.36 billion sale of ShopRite assets. And experts have warned Namibia to expect interest rate hike by the middle of next month. So we end it where it all gets started. That's North Africa. And that's where some of the big stories come. Egypt is looking to start gas supplies to Lebanon pretty soon, while Saudi Food and Drug Authority has approved Egypt's new export system for medical drugs and all of that from Egypt, from Cairo to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Morocco inflation was reported at about 5.9% for the month of April, while Tunisia's gas bill from Sonatrach should be about 4.5 billion dinars this year. Algeria and Turkey have put pen to paper to a partnership deal to deepen trade ties between the North African country and Turkey, which is at the gateway of West and Eastern Europe. And that's about the cotton razor for this week market week. It's a very busy one, everyone, as you can see from our calendar, from the AfDB annual meetings to the West Africa Securities Commission's annual meetings as well, Biennial conference. Then you've got the central bank interest rate decisions across a number of jurisdictions from Nigeria to Cairo to Ghana. Then you've got a whole lot more in between, including the World Economic Forum in Davos. We'll bring you the details of all this key economic and financial markets, meetings and conferences and seminars throughout the week. This is Frontier of Bell. Have a great day, everyone. Watch this show again on our YouTube. It's free. Subscribe at Frontier Africa Reports. Go on our website, www.frontierafricareports.com, to read our stories as well as other videos we publish on a regular basis. And of course, you can go follow us on our social media platform on LinkedIn, on Twitter, Instagram, as well as Facebook. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.